Dear students, so far we are discussing about the topic reflection from the lesson light. The previous class you have learned representation of rays. Today we are going to discuss how images are formed in concave mirror with the help of ray diagram. You have learned 4 conditions are there to represent a ray. Hope you know it very well. Today we are going to use those 4 representation of ray here to draw the ray diagram for concave mirrors. For concave mirrors, 6 ray diagrams are there. Convex mirror, only 2 ray diagrams are there. So today we are going to see 3 ray diagrams for concave mirrors. Okay, dear ones, I have drawn a concave mirror. So this is FPC, you know it. The first ray diagram means when the object is at infinity, where will be the image form? Okay, for example, an object is far away. An incident ray is coming from the object. It touches the mirror, reflects back. The condition is if the ray comes parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it should go through F. You know very well, to form an image, 2 rays are needed. Where they intersect, in that place image is formed. Okay, 1 ray I have drawn, 1 more I am taking. So this is another incident ray. After reflection it moves through F. These 2 rays meet at the point F. That means principal focus. So here image is formed. So I have written object is at infinity. Image is formed at F. The size of it will be very small. Real inverted. Real image. You know, real image can be formed on the screen. Inverted, you know the meaning of the word inverted. Okay, the second ray diagram we are going to see. The object is kept beyond C. C is center of curvature. Okay, from here an incident ray is coming. It touches the mirror. After reflection, it should go through F. Isn't it? That is the condition. If a ray comes parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it should go through F. I am going to use another condition. If the ray goes through C, suppose C is here. If the ray goes through C, after reflection also it will go through the same direction, isn't it? That's what we learned. So, where these 2 rays meet, just look here. Here is C, here is F. So, they meet between C and F. That's why I written here. Object is beyond C. Image is formed between F and C. What about the size? Small. And here also real inverted. Okay. Look here. Here the size of the image is small. Object size, you know, image size you just look into. The third ray diagram, if the object is at C. Okay. An incident ray is coming. After this is F, it should go through F, isn't it? Another ray, see, we cannot take C. The ray, if it goes through C, we cannot take that condition. So I am taking, if the ray goes through F, after reflection, it should come parallel to the principal axis. That is the condition. Am I right? Yes. So this is one of the incident ray. It touches the mirror here. After reflection, it comes parallel to the principal axis. Okay. So where they meet? At C itself. Okay. They meet at C. Look at the size. Object size is this one. This is image size. Both are same. So I have written the condition here. When the object is at C, the image also will be formed at C. Okay, what about the nature of the image? Size is same size, real, inverted. Okay, dear ones, hope you understood. Today, you have seen 3 ray diagrams in concave mirror. The first one, when the object is at infinity, the image is formed at F. Once again, I am repeating, a ray comes parallel to the principal axis, goes through F. Another ray comes parallel to the principal axis, goes through F. So, they meet here, so image is formed. In the second case, the object is beyond C. So, one ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, reflect back through F. Another ray, if it passes through C, it reflects back same way itself. Where do they meet? They meet between C and F. Look at the size, small size. Object size is this much, but small, image size is small. Here also, image is inverted. We can get the image here if you keep a screen here. So that is the meaning of real image, isn't it? Real image, you can get it on screen. The third one, the object is at C. A ray is coming, reflect back through F. Another ray from the object goes through F. After reflection, it comes parallel to the principal axis. Where do they meet? At C itself. Look at the size. Image size is equal to object size. And here also it is inverted and real. That means if we are keeping a screen here, we can get the image of this object. Okay, dear ones, today you have learned how images are formed in concave mirror with the help of ray diagram. How many ray diagrams are in concave mirror? Yes, 6 are there. Today we have learned only 3. Remaining 3 we can discuss in the next class. Take care.